Hello everybody, welcome into Deb's Kitchen and happy National Donuts Day. I thought it would be fun to make some Copycat donut man donuts for you today. So we love to go to the Donut Man, but it's in Glendale, kind of.
Is it Glendora or Glendale?
Glendora, near Pasadena.
I think so, somewhere over there.
Well, anyway, it's far. So when we go there, he is famous for his stuffed fresh strawberry donuts. Of course, he makes the donuts and he makes the glaze. But today we're taking a shortcut. We want to have the donuts, but we don't want to make the trip. So today I'm gonna make it possible for you to make this in your own kitchen using donut from the local donut. And for this recipe, I'm using the jelly donuts, and it'll just give the donuts an extra kick with a shot of jelly in there. So these are fresh donuts from today, National Donut Day. And we have some fresh strawberries. Beautiful, aren't they? I got these from our local produce, which is actually very close to our home. So we have our jelly and strawberries. I have 3 baskets. I'm going to wash and hull them, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, our strawberries are rinsed. Now we're going to hull them, and hulling is basically picking up the stem. I have this little huller, but you can do it with a knife, or in my mom's days, we would just tear them off ourselves or cut the tops off with a knife. But I'm going to hull all these, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've hulled all my strawberries. Here they are in the bowl. Now, here's the magic. Marie Callender's Glaze for strawberries. They usually sell, these were Marie Callender's famous strawberry pie, while she made her own glaze to sell. So we're basically just going to toss all these strawberries in glaze. Now I'm leaving them whole because the Donut Man, he leaves them whole. When I make them for myself, like I've made them before, I cut them because biting in a huge strawberry is a bit work. But some people, that's what they like. They like the big, juicy, scrumptious strawberry. So that already looks good, right? But we're gonna toss it in the strawberry glaze. Make sure you get every strawberry, those little holes covered with delicious glaze. And make sure you pick some nice strawberries that are sweet, because you want a nice delicious strawberry donut. Although the glazed donut is sweet and it has glaze, and this glaze is sweet, so yeah, you got a lot of sweetness here. Okay, I washed my hands, and now we're going to assemble them. Donuts. And you can tell all your company went all the way to the Donut Man to buy these. So these are basic jelly donuts. Look how little jelly they put in it. When I used to eat jelly donuts back in the day, they were full of jelly. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're going to fix it. So we are going to cut all these open. Okay, so we cut all our donuts open, and now the fun part. Squeeze as many of those puppies in there that you can, because this is a showpiece donut, and you want people to like yum factor. So okay, so there we go. Here's one. Okay, so we finished our donuts. We made 6 donuts with 2 baskets of strawberries in less than 5 minutes. And my grandson Maddox is here, and he's my taste tester today. So he's going to tell us what he thinks.
Very good. Go follow our recipes and like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.